Yeah, fans of sports and money and the
It's always
business
the stop
of college
where
sports,
people
we all know
don't stop.
your two books.
There we go again.
Seeing the annuities popping up inside of the 401ks because of this act. Secure Act also gives you more.
I mean, he was on his cell phone, so he was too busy to pay attention to the light.
Business work and do that. There's not that much cost to that anyway. You can do SEPs if you have almost no employees. There's
No
cost
turn
to
on
that
red.
anyway, hardly.
Sure, the sign's faded, but you can still see it.
The email address is ask@chrishogan360.com. Okay, we're going to the phones, and I'm going all the way east to New York. Marka, how are you?
Hi, good morning, Chris. It's really good to be able to talk to you.
Well, it's good to talk to you, too. What's on your mind?
With Dane and them, Alan the Monkeys, opened for Joe, and they talked to Joe, and Joe gave him great advice.
That
Surprise,
pickup
surprise.
truck.
Great advice.
Right.
Tell him you gotta leave. So we all started going down.
And both are great. Let's start with Lonzo Ball. That is the classic two-hand chest pass, and he drops it down the chimney. That is a
Jeep
great
thing.
pass. Normally, that would be it.
I can't let you sell the house because it's not just mine. But
left turn from a straight. Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that.
The Audi driver's kind of pissed, understandably.
Burr, I just did Billy because I thought it flowed better with my last name. Because Dane Cook told me that Bill Burr didn't sound like a famous guy's name. Anything anybody said, if you told me to wear a wig on stage, I would have fucked.
Hey man, I think you're
Someone's talking at someone for some reason. Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Like, dude, it's such a great joke.
That's a right turn only lane, and he went straight from it. Or she went straight from it.
The role of the federal government. And it is important that we get this right. Our founding fathers understood.
He went straight from a left turn lane.
I don't know what. And then you have to weigh if you want to let the thing go to court, because then that's
no turn on red.
That is just complete fucking failure as a parent. I know everybody gets mad at those kids, but you can't.
Really? You're going innie through an Audi.
Fucking parents.
Yeah, unless you then pull on to the pros, and then that's already an open floodgate.
Right.
Yeah.
Which is why
Nope.
we spoke to Andrew Zimbalist, and when I said, hey,
In the previous segment. Yeah.
I thought he was. I thought he was exit dodging, exit diving. The fuck is that? Oh, that's a little bit close, dude. A little too close.
that Drew Brees has, older than Aaron Rodgers, and he gets to 40 and he thinks that's it, then yes, I can see it. I can see it happening.
LT and let him know. Oh yeah, I said the words. Because that's what Giants fans are thinking.
Of course.
Oh, that guy up there.
Why wouldn't they? 21st century transformative defensive.
I don't think that's street legal.
Do it, dude.
All right, we got to peel.
Do you know how to peel potatoes?
Nope.
Do you know how to peel and grate potatoes?
No.
When hey Rich, can you do this off camera for me?
I can do
What?
something.
Yeah, sure.
Should I do something?
Whenever you guys get into,
we saw you wash out a pitcher.
Good job, Bus.
whenever you guys get onto something in the dollar that is.
I only know what I read. And look, I was in the federal government. I don't even know, is there one stockpile
Because
or the multiple
Chevy.
stockpile? Hospital management problem. That's what we're all doing, right? We're all trying to
Red light
manage
runner. Gus
hospitals.
Honda again.
That's what this has come down to.
No turn on red.
To tap into the supply all over the country and to work to see what we can produce here in the city. But that is the number we're working with.
You can't get into
next
coloring books. It's the same concept.
Ongoing effort to get personnel.
Wait, where are you going? Oh no!
That's how we're rolling here on our show. Ben Affleck's calling in short order.
What the hell's that guy doing?
A new film, The Way Back, in theaters near you on Friday. He plays a man who's down on his luck.
Hi, get in here.
And an alcoholic who gets pressed.
That's not life. That becomes something more extreme which can be studied, but it's not.
That would be the end of life.
Jeez, man, so left.
Right.
Look at that as an opportunity and say, you know what? Let me make sure that this guy feels like whether he's spending or not, we're still the same people.
Really?
Just out for their money. And you know, lo and behold, successful people that fall down get back up, and they're our greatest customers once again, or never again, whatever. But that to me is like that.
Exit dive, Subaru.
Smart chick, but she was younger, right? You know, just on her road to being
Brad.
a homemade. It's tough, you know, unless somebody has.
Gazanda. Wait. That was red. Really? BMW driver? Really? Exit dive! Could have just stayed behind me. Would have gotten off the almost exact same time. But no.
At least once a month. But anyway, I wanted to take a question from people on Instagram.
Really?
It says from Sarah. She goes,
S-
my husband's work
PDI, I
requires him
think
to pay
it
up
says.
Get on purpose and do what they were created
What
to
the
do.
hell are you doing?
This will make the world.
The light's red and you're kind of... Because Hyundai. Who knows?
In our neighborhood who posted on a Facebook page and said that their daughter was trying to spread some good cheer.
Like you get people, not just comics, you get people coming up.
Red light runner.
Like
saying, joking on my podcast that if you're gonna shave your head, now's the time to do it.
What are you doing?
Did you see it?
No, he's got a good head.
It looks great, but Brendan Schaub.
It was a year before. It was before I started comedy.
Really? Ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-streein'. I gotta use that song more.
Have acknowledged that it's real if he's changed his tune. Maybe we should follow up on that.
What the
Find out if he
shit?
called off his...
I doubt it.
His pox party.
That kind of...
We're just gonna stand in the middle of the... Go, move! Ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-streein'.
Move out to catch them instead of everyone gathering around the hatchery.
Ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-streein', ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-streein'.
And then just hanging out with my kids, you know? Honestly, like...
Oh, ran right through the stop sign! Audi.
Welcome back to the Rich Eisen Show. Let's take some phone calls. Brad in Norman, Oklahoma.
Seriously? Wow, jeez. Whoa, up there. Wow.
$10 museum.
owned by the same evangelical Christian family that runs Hobby Lobby, acquired 16 of the supposed fragments 7 years ago in 2018.
You know, when you could legit die of some shit every fucking 10 minutes and a grizzly bear could just poke his head in and be like, oh, there's breakfast. Like he's at the fucking McDonald's drive-thru taking a couple of your kids like a fucking Happy Meal.
That guy too.
Let's get some perspective, people. Come on, man. You're better than...
Owners of the hotels, the managers of the hotels, the people who work in the hotels.
Yeah, no one was going though.
Everyone
that white...
shoulder to shoulder.
What? And that guy too.
In record time. So right now, we
Threefer.
accounted for. There's going to be more hotels and more big spaces. We've got, obviously, in the case of the Javits Center, in the case of the Billie Jean King National Tennis Center, in the case of the Brooklyn Cruise Terminal, these are large spaces where you can do hundreds of beds at a time, or the case of
Massel left.
But we're going to be looking for more and more spaces like that.
Is he going to move back? Yep. Green truck, last second exit dive.
So when somebody, I love how I segue into just extreme different combos here, but when somebody is on the show, The Sopranos,
of
you're
course,
regular on there. I mean, how much pussy
featured Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin was the first time most whites had ever read anything about what it was like to be a slave.
What
and
the
they were
fuck?
horrified.
That white car.
Oh my god! No, I felt it, or I felt that that it was totally justified. That guy dissed me, or she cheated on me, or
U-Haul.
They all had justifications.
Wow. Why would you do that?
And the day before, and it all started with the Ivy League. I mean, let's tip that master's cap to Robin Harris, the executive director of the Ivy League. First ones to come out and basically say we're canceling our entire term power within ourselves to do what we need to do to all get through this and get back to normal and make sure that the Masters is just postponed and not canceled.
Here's the thing, there was no one behind that car alongside me. You can wait another 2 seconds?
Sports world, to make sure that these people make ends meet. Because we can't have post-Malone concepts now, people.
Card industries and all the other places would love for us to learn how to not
Nope.
but this is the first time that household debt has increased to over.
Very aggressive when we get a little cluster, a spot that's
What
acting
the
up.
frick? Alright, first of all, the guy was stopped, and then the guy attempted to go around him.
And the Orleans Hotel where we saw Don Rickles. I don't know why I agreed to.
Orleans, my life depended on it.
Yeah, I keep all these things in my head for some reason.
But I mean, he's an old guy now. This is very Joe Montana, very Peyton Manning. This one.
I don't know. I think he just loves it too much, and the opportunity to go and potentially.
The funny thing is,
someone's getting pulled over. I knew he was a cop. Wait, I gotta move over. What are you doing?
Lost her job as an oyster shopper at a restaurant.
Speaking to our guest, Betsy Shepard.
You're talking about...
You're dragging your muffler. Who drives a car like that? Yep, that was red.
Tail somewhere, and he got flagged at the airport. They scanned the passport, and boom, he's arrested, and he was put on trial.
He had to have run the red
sent to
arrow.
jail. Completely disagree with their arguments, and I don't even want to like these guys because their attitude.
And a red light runner
of TV with each passing year. However, after a bit.
Whoa.
When it's 6-3 or it's 6-6 and nobody's getting the...
No, don't merge in behind me. There you go. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 no. You cannot be there. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. Oh, well, you're going to be in the video because you're in the left lane. Wait, hold up. There's another one. You can't be in the left lane either, and you're tailgating the hell out of that Jeep driver. Well, I'm going to call this the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribe and tune in for more, because there's going to be a hell of a lot more where this came from. All right, bye.